The governor now has 20 days to review and take action on the legislation passed during this session. ABC4's Jason Wynn live on Utah's Capitol Hill recapping some of the big bills on the governor's desk. Jason.
Hey, good evening, Glenn. Several lawmakers that I spoke to say that they passed fewer bills this year than in years past, but the 400-plus bills that they did get to, they say, are more meaningful and should be more productive for Utahns in the coming future if the governor signs those bills. The 2021 legislative session threw a lot of curveballs at lawmakers.
It's been very different due to the fact that we had some colleagues who had COVID.
Representative John Hawkins appeared earlier this week, casting his first vote while battling the coronavirus from his hospital bed.
We tackle some hard and important bills, and if we screwed something up, we'll be back later to fix it. So.
Police reform was a big topic on Capitol Hill. One bill awaiting the governor's desk would require law enforcement to file a report anytime a weapon is drawn.
Part of that effort is to make sure that we have mental health supports for our first responders. I was able to get $500,000 for our first responders in order to make sure that their needs are met.
Law enforcement officials say they are preparing for Utah's new concealed carry law that allows folks to conceal carry without a permit. If signed, one bill provides $50 million for affordable housing and people experiencing homelessness. And another bill would allow developers to get their own inspectors if municipalities can't do the inspections on time. Arguably, the most important bill that needs to be signed is the aid to help domestic violence shelters. Because of the 25% federal cuts to programs I first told you about last December.
We were able to secure over $3 million for domestic violence and sexual assault preventive education, and then also for our domestic violence shelters. So we want to make sure that we're not leaving anyone behind. And Utahns may want to get used to seeing this flag. The bill associated with it was passed earlier, and it's heading to the governor's desk. And if he signs it, this flag right here, it will fly right underneath the state's flag right here at the Capitol. And a task force will start to look into if we need to change our state flag. Live at the Capitol, I'm Jason Wynn, ABC4 News.
All right, appreciate that. Thank you, Jason.